Hi, we're back on Warren Bay Beach. The weather is beautiful and it's Bank Holiday Monday, and we're actually crab fishing at the moment. We haven't got any bacon, so we're trying some chicken. Don't know whether it's going to work, and some cheese. So here is our little pool, and there's our net. Not having too much luck at the moment. You can see the sun's out, and Lana is enjoying just sitting here watching, and so is Poppy. And Archer and Heidi. Archer and Heidi, what are you doing over there? I think they're searching for shells, but they just said, I heard them say, they're not going to take anybody's home, because obviously inside the shells you've got all the little mollusks, so you've got to be so careful. So we're back over here. The weather, no, sorry, at the moment, darling, can't find anything. We're back on the beach, and I'll just do you a little view that we can see at the moment. The sky is blue and it is absolutely beautiful. Peace and quiet all the way over to Wales over there. There's the cliffs. Archer, you going to say hi?
Hi.
Are you having a good time?
Yep, but I'm waiting for crabs.
Yeah, he's looking for crabs and we haven't found any. While we were crab fishing, Steve's just found these rather large fossils. There's one there. You can just see the start of one here. Some of it still is covered. And then there's actually two here. They're quite big. And another one there. We can, darling. Just, and you can see where one's been here. That's really going to keep it washed up. But while we were looking at these, Heidi was digging and has found a crab. Let me show you. Here's the crab. There it is. Little pincers are trying to bite me. Don't worry guys, we shall put him back so he can carry on living his wonderful life. I hope you've enjoyed just seeing our adventures. Is Lana enjoying the stream that's going right across the bay and down back into the sea? She absolutely loves plodding around. And you look down here, there's a whole stream heading towards Watchet. Actually, the water's not that cold today. It's quite clear as well. It's really beautiful. So peaceful. Some gorgeous colours. The seaweed and the plant life looks really healthy. So gorgeous. Just the peace and quiet. Listening to the water trickle over the rocks. Quite tranquil. And we've got Minehead in the distance, if you can see. As we pan round, I'm not sure whether you can see it, but Wales is, I think, 16 miles, I think it is, across the estuary, which is the centre to Wales. And as we go round, and it right round, you can see out towards Sea, back around Hinkley Point, and whether you can just pick it out, there's the lighthouse in Watchet. Lana, are you having fun? Yeah? She's such a beautiful girl. I'll just leave you with some more of this beautiful stream coming down the beach. There's nothing greater than being outdoors, especially when the sun's shining, of course. But it's really, really good for your mental health, getting some vitamin D inside your skin, so it's good for your actual bodily health too. And the fresh air is just unbelievable. So guys, if you get an opportunity, whether it's by the seaside or just where you live, just go and have a little walk out. Just get some fresh air. Find the beauty wherever you live. You can always find something beautiful and something to be thankful for. Have a great day, everyone. See you soon.